Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset Xbox One S controller. So in order to do this, as you can see, I have the one controller connected to my device, and it's this one right here. Now in order to reset it, there's this connection button right here on front of your controller. Now let's hold that button for as long as the controller itself won't vibrate for 2 times. When it vibrates 2 times, this means the controller is restarted. As you can see, it just unpaired from my device and the controller turned off. Now let's enable it by holding this Xbox button. From here, let's hold it again. Plugged in to your console by a USB cable. And it should connect back to your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.